Hello guys, 2 days ago I went to a garden center and I got these two pebbles. And something is off about these. These are yellow. And if we compare them to ones in our garden, the ones in the garden are dark green. So we need to give these guys some nutrients. And this one is a pick and pop. Then this one is mariachi. And it's a really hot pebble. And I really want to compare, like, I just chomp that to see which one's hotter. But don't worry, I'll have like 200 gallons of milk by my side. Okay, so guys, we've never done a plant rescue for vegetables before. And these guys both have root bound. So you gotta just like, just like that. Okay, so first we need to remove the pebbles because we need the plant to start working on the roots first. So let's take these off. Now these are the pick and pop ones. Since these two do look good, we are gonna need to eat them pretty soon. Okay, this guy only got one pebble, which is the one, hopefully, I'm gonna bite into. And we're gonna need nutrients for them. So we're gonna put about half a cap of both of these in here. So I'm gonna use my trusty dusty stick to store it all up. We gotta shake them up. And I believe they do stink. So half a cap. That's about half a cap. Gotta shake this fish fertilizer. That should be good. I don't know how to describe that. It's like I really don't want this stuff on my fingers. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, it's like cake battle. Dude, I hope pretty soon they make stuff that, like, make cameras that can just smell through the screen. Now, trusty dusty stick and store it up. Now we're gonna give them a drink. Put water in the hole so they have it right where they need it. Now we're gonna plant them. Now this guy. And we did already water the soil before. And there you go, and the tags are right there. Guys, you know I can't leave out my favorite, warm poop. We're gonna put this on top, okay? So, we'll keep an eye on this plant rescue. Hopefully, we'll get a couple new pebbles in a couple of weeks. But wait, we got one more thing to do. Okay guys, like I said at the beginning, we're gonna need to see how hard these really are. And, like I said, the yellow one is a pick and pop, so we're gonna be eating that first. And just in case it does get too hot, we got some milk. Okay guys, what I'm about to do, please do not attempt at home. I'm doing this for content. And I want to. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Just like stuff like some meat in there, and I would even eat it perfectly. Not that spicy. Now, this one is supposed to be a little bit hot. And just looking at it, ooh, it already looks spicy. Should I take a big bite or a little bite? I'm gonna take a little one. Yeah, I don't need this. There's literally no spice. Actually, this is actually really good. There's like no spice at all. But I'm still gonna drink the milk because I love milk. Man. Was it me or was that bird just singing Liberty? That bird has heard too many Liberty ads. Too many Liberty Mutual ads. So yeah, this isn't spicy at all. Hey, it was still fun. Nom nom. Make sure you like and subscribe, guys. We'll be back soon.